Listen, every man craves respect. But what does a high value man like you actually do when your wife doesn't show it? It's not anger, begging, or shutting down. It's something different. I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. And I've seen the difference between men who demand respect and the men who actually inspire it. Here are the top actions high value men do when they face disrespect in their own marriage. Number 1, they walk from chronic disrespect. When dishonor becomes the norm, high value men know walking away is an option. See, most men tolerate disrespect because they're afraid of losing the relationship. But when you allow chronic disrespect, you train her that that's acceptable. High value men set the tone in the marriage. This is the standard. If it's not met, I will not stay. And here's the irony. That willingness to walk away often resets the dynamic and makes respect possible again. Number 2, they don't beg. Respect isn't begged for, it's earned. The moment you're pleading her to admire you, you've already lost it. Women don't respect desperation. They respect strength, consistency, and action. High value men let their actions speak, which is their discipline, their word, their consistency. They don't need to convince her. They live in a way that commands respect. Number 3, they lead themselves first. Self-respect always comes before respect from others. If you don't respect your own health, your own boundaries, your own word, why should she? Discipline, integrity, purpose, these are the foundations of respect. High-value men make sure their life is in order. They know that leadership at home begins with how they lead themselves first. If you're at a place where you want to build this kind of respect in your own marriage, grab the free Marriage ROI Toolkit below. It'll walk you through 5 proven shifts that help you lead with calm confidence at home, just like you do in business. Link is in the description and pinned comment below. Number 4, they confront directly. Silence kills respect. Avoidance is passive aggression. High-value men addresses issues calmly and directly. High-value men don't run from confrontation, they lean into it. Not with yelling, not with blame, but with calm, direct truth. Listen here. When there's disrespect, they put it on the table. Here's what I see. Here's how it affects me, and here's what we need to shift. That clarity is what earns respect. Even if the conversation is uncomfortable, because it's going to be uncomfortable, but being uncomfortable, that's where growth happens. Number 5, they avoid the control trap. Other men, besides the high-value men, overcorrect by controlling. They think demanding respect is the same as earning it. But listen, respect built on fear always collapses. High-value men influence with calm authority. They don't micromanage, they don't manipulate, and they don't need to dominate. Instead, they inspire trust because their leadership is steady and not forceful. And that's why their woman respects them. And it's not because she has to, but because she wants to. Respect starts with self-leadership and self-confidence. Download the free Marriage ROI Toolkit to learn the 5 tools to lead at home with strength and confidence. Link is in the description. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts from it and also your results.